Okay, this cool street is called the Mouth of the Dragon, Beco de Draga. It's a tiny little alley. Give you a little context for what's around here. You got some other cool stuff around here, including this interesting looking building right behind us. This little alley goes all the way down. Then you have a main street over there too. I'll tell you more about that in a minute. But our focus is going to be the Beco de Dragon. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Beco de Dragon. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go down the alley. Let's kind of see what we can see. And then we're going to come back and I'll show you where it leads out to. It's kind of a cool little thing. I did film in here one other time. And it's kind of interesting because then I saw some other filmers that came in. Two Chinese speaking people came in with a camera. I saw that on YouTube, but I didn't know that anybody knew this street. You got a little dragon at the mouth of it right there. It's kind of cool, right? And then these little alleys, it's basically all pedestrian, right? And then you'd go in. So that's the names, like the Beco de Dragon. There's a cat out here. I guess it would just jump through the window. You got some furniture out here too. We're just gonna go to wherever it leads. It's funny, I did film in here once before, but it was about 6 months ago and I don't really remember how the street works out exactly. But if I remember right, it comes to a dead end shortly. Or it comes to an apartment, which is maybe what it does now. So I think this actually might be the end of it. So you got like one apartment here, and then this is the apartment, another apartment here. It's trespassing to go inside, but that's, look how cool that looks. So we'll just end it and turn around at this spot and go back down. Yeah, little Mouth of the Dragon. Cool name. Tiny little dragon when you come in. I'm sure they don't want to do this, but they could really capitalize on that dragon and get some tourists coming in, because it's kind of a cool little street and it symbolizes what these little becos are, you know. So what I'm going to do now is we're just going to come back through the other way. Sometimes the place looks kind of cool going the other way too, because it looks totally different depending on which direction you go, right? So we're just going to come back this way, and then we're going to show you the main road. We just went by our dragon, which is right there. Here's a little dragon. And we're going to come out and show you how it fits into the overall neighborhood, and by showing you the main street that it's on. So yeah, Beco de Dragon. I like this pink. It just looks kind of cool. I don't know if it's the lighting at nighttime or what it is, but that looks pretty amazing. It's pretty amazing right there. And this is a little side street. This is Hudei Pamera. So if you're trying to find this, Hudei Pamera is the is what it's on. And then this is also Hudei Pamera. Travessa de Escama. It's a different street than ours. Ours is Beco de Dragon. So we're gonna go right to the main street in a minute. That's our little alley right there. So that's the one that we were just on moments ago. So it's basically like there's Pamera, and then the Mouth of the Dragon goes up like that. So let's go back. Looks like we got a car coming this way. But I also want to show you the main street and just how it looks in here. Let's see if we can get by here. There we go. So now we can show you this main street. There's a couch right there. It looks kind of funny. Okay, so the main street is right here, and also that's the inner harbor down that way. So if you kept walking across, you'd go and see all the ships and such like that coming in. And then now you're kind of at this main road right here, right? So this is there's a pension house, Familia Ferreira. Basically, it just goes up into that alley, Hudei Pamera, and then you also have this right here. This is our main street right here, and kind of this one. So if you were in Macau, you could try to find this public library in Patane Public Library, and then you'd be able to navigate through this pension house, and then you could just go right up there. So okay, hope you like that one. So we'll just end it. We'll end it back at the mouth of the dragon, so you can see the context. I'll also put my other video of the mouth of the dragon on here too, which is the maybe about 6 months ago when I did it in the daytime. It's always kind of cool to see something two different ways, I think. Mouth of the dragon. And there it is right there. That one. So just end it right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.